Hi, in this video today we're going to be doing a full clean on this Delonghi Dedica machine. So first things first is it's turned on, it's up to temperature. We're going to hit the steam button here. We're going to clean out the wand here. So when this light stops flashing and goes to steady, you can then turn this on here. Whether you're on hot milk or cappuccino, it's still going to clean out the pipework here. And we're just using a container just to collect the steam. And now I'm going to turn that off. We're now going to turn the machine off and we're going to unplug it from the mains. We're now unplugged. And we're going to take off the water container on the back. To take off the water container, you just lift upwards. And we're going to take out the water filter. Be a good opportunity to change that out if you haven't changed it in a few months. And we're going to empty out the water and we're just going to clean this out with some warm water. And now we're going to be taking out the drip tray. We're going to give that a nice clean, so there's just some warm water down here. Also, this isn't the original Delonghi one, but I'm going to be cleaning out this as well. And we're also taking out this inner drip tray. This little float actually comes out, so you can give it a good clean, because you will find that you will get coffee up here as well. And that just clips back in, it doesn't matter which way round it goes. And you can see the colour of the water there is nicely stained with coffee. So I'm just going to rinse all these out and then dry them up. And now we're just going to get a damp cloth and I'm just going to rub it around the machine. The machine's unplugged and this is not wet. Next up, we're going to be cleaning out the cappuccino wands here. So we have to grab it and we have to turn it counterclockwise. So you're turning it away from yourself and then down, and that will come out. Also, we're going to pull off this bit here. This is made out of rubber, but you can see that dirt and milk will accumulate here. So let's give these two things a rinse out. And now the rubber just pushes straight back on. It goes to the very top here, right the way to the top. And place this one on and twist it towards you. And there we go, that's now locked into place. Next up, we're actually going to clean out this outlet here. So it involves needing a little Phillips screwdriver, a little crosshead screwdriver, and there's a little screw just here. Hopefully then it will be quite dirty inside. So this hasn't been done in a while. And as I'm looking at it, I'm going counterclockwise. So let's undo this. Don't lose the screw. And now this should come down like so. Let's see how clean or dirty that is. Yes, so it's not too bad. And if you look at this here, this one is also pretty clean actually. But we'll put it in the sink and give it a nice good clean. And I'm just going to wipe around here with the cloth as well, because you can see on my finger. Right, initially I thought it was clean, but looking at it now, you can actually see it is quite dirty. Yeah, look at that. So it is well worth cleaning. There you go, you can see that's a lot cleaner than it was before. I'm just going to get the cloth and I'm just going to wipe up the actual machine now. Well, quite a bit of old coffee came off on there. So now we're going to screw that cover back on. And this time we need to go clockwise on the screw. And there we go. I'm not going to go overly tight, I'm just nipping it up. So everything's nice and clean now, it's all dry, so we're going to be putting it back. Make sure when you do this that you get these clips aligned on the top bit here, so it just goes straight down like that. Now we need to clean out the actual boiler on the inside. So we're going to plug it back in and get it up to temperature. And what we're going to do is we're going to repeatedly hit this double cup here until we get roughly around 1 pint out of it, 0.5 litres of just water. And that will clean out now the boiler part. Obviously make sure you filled up some water in the tank in the back. Now Delonghi recommend that you clean out the boiler once every 200 cups of coffee. So I'm going to hit the double cup again. And again. And again, so this is the 4th time. And we're going to do it one more time, so that's 5 times in total. And there we go, and it has actually picked up a few bits of coffee just at the bottom there. So that is it. That is how to fully clean your Delonghi Dedica machine. So hopefully next time you make your espresso, it will taste nice and fresh. Thank you so much for watching.